Have you ever thought that with just a small change in your morning routine, you could unlock the door to a healthier and more peaceful life? Picture this: a quiet morning, soft sunlight streaming through the window. You hold a warm cup of tea, not just an ordinary drink, but a gift of nature imbued with the power to heal and nurture. In this video, I'll share with you a simple yet transformative secret: adding just 5 natural ingredients to your tea or coffee. These ingredients not only enhance your physical health, but also nourish your mind, helping you reclaim peace and balance in the hustle of daily life. Today's journey isn't just about improving your health, it's about moving closer to inner tranquility, a state of calm that Buddhism refers to as inner stillness. Are you ready to discover it? Let's start now, because with just a small change, your life might never be the same again. Ginger, the warmth of nature. Imagine a winter morning when the cold seeps into every fiber of your being. You hold a steaming cup of ginger tea, its warmth spreading through your body like a gentle embrace from nature. Ginger is more than just an ordinary spice, it's a miracle remedy in traditional medicine. With its ability to improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity, ginger helps you start your day brimming with energy. A study from Columbia University even confirms that ginger can alleviate nausea and improve blood circulation, keeping your body youthful and vibrant. In Buddhist philosophy, ginger symbolizes balance, warm but not overwhelming, strong yet gentle. A cup of ginger tea not only comforts your body, but also imparts a profound lesson on maintaining harmony in life. Think about it. Every sip of ginger tea not only wards off the chill, but also serves as a reminder that your body deserves care and attention. And when your body thrives, your mind naturally finds its way to peace. Are you ready to make your morning ginger tea your new companion on the journey to health and well-being? Cinnamon, the spice of harmony. Have you ever tried adding a touch of cinnamon to your morning coffee? The sweet, warm aroma of cinnamon not only awakens your senses, but also brings an unexpected sense of relaxation, like being wrapped in the peaceful embrace of an autumn afternoon. Cinnamon is more than just a spice. In traditional medicine, it's known as a gentle flame, helping to stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. According to a study in the International Journal of Nutrition, cinnamon also helps lower the risk of type 2 diabetes, making it a reliable companion for heart health. But cinnamon's gifts aren't limited to the body. In the minimalist philosophy of Buddhism, cinnamon exemplifies balance and restraint. Just a pinch is enough to elevate the flavor of an entire cup of tea or coffee. It reminds us that even small things, when cherished, can bring great joy and harmony. Picture this. Every morning, instead of rushing, you take a few moments to prepare a cup of tea or coffee with a hint of cinnamon. Each sip is a perfect blend of nature's warmth and inner peace, setting the tone for an inspired day ahead. So why not let cinnamon be the bridge to harmony, balancing your body and soothing your soul? Turmeric, the golden glow of healing. Imagine a day when the radiant morning sunlight not only illuminates your surroundings, but also fills your body from within. That's the power of turmeric, nature's golden gift with its warm hue and miraculous healing abilities. Turmeric has long been celebrated as a warrior against inflammation and a protector against chronic diseases. Its active compound, curcumin, acts as a natural shield, reducing oxidation and supporting cell regeneration. According to a study in the Journal of Medicinal Food, turmeric can reduce arthritis symptoms by up to 50% when incorporated regularly into one's diet. Let me share a story about a close friend of mine, a woman who endured chronic joint pain for years. After failing to find relief through conventional medications, she decided to make a simple change, adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a glass of milk every evening. Within months, not only did her pain gradually disappear, but she also experienced a renewed sense of vitality and energy. But the magic of turmeric goes beyond just healing the body. She told me, "Turmeric didn't just soothe my body, it awakened my soul. It reminded me that taking care of myself isn't selfish. It's the deepest act of love." This is the true power of turmeric. It doesn't just heal, it brings hope. With every golden spoonful, you're not just nourishing your body with a potent nutrient, but also inviting the light of transformation and renewal into your life. So why not start today? Let turmeric's golden hue become a symbol of a healthier, more fulfilling life. Clove, the essence of gratitude. In the natural world, some of the smallest things hold the greatest power, and cloves are a perfect example. These tiny dried flower buds carry not only a rich, warm flavor, but also a treasure trove of nutrients and historical value. Did you know there was a time when cloves were considered as precious as gold? Only royalty could afford this prized spice, valued not just for its culinary uses, but also as a key to holistic health. Cloves, with their warm and robust aroma, are a powerful ally in fighting bacteria, improving digestion, and soothing cold symptoms. Imagine a winter's day, your throat sore and your body weary. A simple cup of warm tea infused with a few cloves can instantly ease your discomfort, like a gentle hug from nature. But cloves offer more than physical relief. They symbolize appreciation for life's simple yet meaningful things. Just as each tiny clove contributes to a perfect brew, the small details in life can bring immense joy when we take the time to recognize and cherish them. I recall the story of an elderly monk I met at a small monastery in Bhutan. Every morning, he would prepare a cup of tea with a few cloves, not just to warm his body, but as a sacred ritual to start his day. He once told me, "The smallest things are often the foundation of balance and happiness. In a single clove lies a lesson in gratitude." Try adding cloves to your tea or coffee, not just to savor their unique flavor, but to experience a moment of peace and gratitude for yourself. And perhaps, through these simple acts, you'll discover harmony between your body and soul. Cardamom, the secret of simplicity. In a world full of noise and haste, we often forget that happiness and peace come from the simplest things. Cardamom, a small, humble spice, holds the key to unlocking that door. Have you ever closed your eyes, savored a fragrant sip of tea infused with cardamom, and felt a wave of calm wash over your soul? With its gentle and soothing aroma, cardamom not only purifies the body, but also calms the mind, guiding you into a natural meditative state. Every sip of tea allows your body to relax, and the chaos of thoughts begins to settle, leaving behind a sense of serenity and a deeper connection to the present moment. In Buddhism, simplicity is often regarded as the path to enlightenment. Cardamom embodies this philosophy. It doesn't boast loudly but quietly imparts its delicate flavor, reminding us that happiness isn't found in grandiose things, but in appreciating the beauty of life's simplest moments. Imagine starting your day with a cup of tea infused with cardamom. It's not just a way to nourish your body, but a profound act of self-care, an opportunity to connect with the present and cherish the meaningful simplicity that life offers. Each sip of cardamom tea can be a gentle journey back to inner peace. Have you tried it yet? There's a story about an elderly monk in a small temple in Japan that I always remember. Every morning, instead of simply making tea, he transformed the act into a profound meditation. Every motion, from boiling water to adding spices, was performed with complete stillness and mindfulness. For him, a cup of tea wasn't just a drink. It was a way to connect with himself and the universe. He once shared, "In every drop of tea, the universe is present." This was how he maintained inner peace while preserving his health through the simplest daily habits. This story serves as a gentle reminder that health and tranquility don't always come from elaborate remedies or complex practices. Sometimes, we only need to focus deeply on small actions like making tea to nurture both our body and mind. The journey to good health is not just about the nourishing ingredients you add to your tea or coffee, but also about a shift in how you perceive and connect with life. Each day offers an opportunity to find joy, peace, and serenity in even the simplest moments. As Buddha taught, happiness is not a destination, it is the path we walk. So today, take a moment for yourself with your favorite cup of tea. Add these natural ingredients and experience the transformation. We'd love to hear your story. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below this video so we can spread the message of health and peace together.